support system for those that want to get medical help, because accessing medical help is not as easy as we would think it is. Sometimes it's not as accessible for everyone, or people don't know where to go, so we're kind of just a guide to help them get to where they need to be. A support system. Just go around to check up on who I need to check up on, see how they're doing, or kind of get an update if they went to their appointment, how that went. And as much as they want to share, I'm there to help. So it's always nice to work together with them as a team, I feel like, to get them to where they would like to be. For them to actually tell you like, oh, I really appreciate you doing this because I've never had this type of support before. Yeah, this is why I do it, because I've seen people from when I started to where we are now, like their progress and how comfortable they are taking charge and their health in their hands and being comfortable like moving through the systems a little bit easier. So I guess giving people that empowerment to do things on their own too. Becoming a part of the village itself, or the villages itself, like just being like considered part of the community, just having that connection with everyone else that lives there. Just like knowing that like you're there to support them medically. Like sometimes they just come in and tell you like, hey, I had an appointment, and they just update you, and I'm like, oh yeah, like thank you for telling me, like I'm interested in your health, and I'm glad that you're comfortable telling me these things, because sometimes things like emergencies happen and we don't know like what's really happening with a certain someone, and just having that little bit of background does help in like emergency situations. But in a nutshell, just being part of the villages as a community itself, not just like seen as like an employee that works there. I'm glad that this program exists, and because it's never been heard of. This is like so new and so fresh that I feel like with time it's going to become better, and other places might adopt these type of models, and hopefully it helps more people out there.